Hello everyone, how to do it. Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account or how to start on Sweet AI virtual companion. So first of all, you need to install, then simply tap on the open button. So it's loading now. You need to wait to get the main feature, to get the interface. So you can see you have to choose the language you are fluent or you know. So just keep it English and simply tap the next, and you can turn on now. Keep connected with your girlfriend. So appear on the top. So okay, I'm just going to tap it now and run now. Okay, so sign in successfully, and you need to correct your things. So you can now talk with them. It's really simple. Hi, new level. Okay, so it's really simple. You can talk with
Hi, I'm your virtual friend. Do you want to have some fun with me today? Roleplay mode? Flirting mode?
So you can see here, like you have to watch the ad, and without creating your account you can still talk. You will get here message button, and it's a profile icon. Remaining jet 9, diamond balance 3, and 10 diamonds to 1 to watching ad. So you can use it. It's really simple. If you discover and if you really want to get more, then I talk with Jennifer, and she is nurse idol. So there are a lot of character. You can find it here. Once you find, then you can start talking, but it's limited. If you want to talk unlimited, then you need to buy the premium package here. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.